Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 on Xbox Series S. The only way to enjoy this classic zombie shooter on your console is through its digital backward compatibility. Since the Series S does not have a disk drive, you will need to acquire the game digitally. This ensures you can jump into the action and experience the thrilling cooperative gameplay with your friends. To get Left 4 Dead 2, you cannot buy it directly from the Xbox Series S store. Instead, you must visit the official Xbox website on a computer or mobile device. Log in with your Xbox account and purchase the digital version there. After completing the transaction, the game will automatically appear in your console's game library, ready for you to download and install. Playing Left 4 Dead 2 on your Xbox Series S offers several enhancements over its original release. You will experience a noticeable resolution bump, with the game running at up to 1440p. Additionally, the console's automatic high dynamic range feature provides improved visuals. You will also appreciate the significantly faster loading times, getting you into the zombie-slaying action quicker than ever before. Left 4 Dead 2 remains a fantastic experience, even years after its initial launch. It includes all the content from the first Left 4 Dead, offering a massive amount of gameplay. You can team up with 3 friends online across multiple campaigns and versus modes. While the game maintains its original 30 frames per second, the overall experience is smooth and incredibly fun, providing countless hours of zombie-filled entertainment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.